Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sweet Heavenly Dove, and let's see what's inside Dollar Tree this time. Fireworks at Dollar Tree, TNT Pop-Its, a fun trick noisemaker. There's 75 pieces. There's something small for you. Look, we have these awesome ice cream cone cups. They come in pink and in white with straws. Great for parties or just to enjoy. Let's see. LED headlamps for kids. Let's see the different designs. They're cute. The panda, the unicorn with the pink. And then we have the frog, unicorn with purple. Awesome. So cute and decorative, and they can pick which one they want. A pink unicorn. Look like the dinosaur. Awesome. Check out these 6 color pens. They have the Minnie Mouse, Heinz ketchup. Cool and awesome. And those are the Disney princesses. And this one with a space running down the corner. Cosmetic bags. This one says face with the pink, skin with kind of like a mint green. The orange one says hair, and the last one says skin. So you can separate your makeup or anything you want to put in those. And then we have these body washes. So it's 3 different scents, and I smelled all 3. And I like the pineapple. Was it pineapple lemon? I believe it was. Smelled the best to me. But I don't know your scent. Awesome fun. We have beauty palette. So I guess you put your little makeup on there if you're using a little bit. And so you don't necessarily put it on your hands. You can put it on the palette. Or any crafters, you can use it for anything else. DIYs. Then we have these 2 different makeup blenders. Then we have this pink set with orange, yellow, pink, and then we have kind of the bluish color with 3 as well. So if you need makeup sponges, Dollar Tree is the place to purchase them. Well, we have the all over body mineral deodorant. This one is unscented and it's 4 fluid ounces. I believe last week I showed you the one, I think it was lavender. I could be wrong. I believe it's lavender because it was purple. So now you can do unscented or you can do lavender, your choice. Well, we have 3 items by Home Bright. We have the plant-based insect repellent, the pest spray, and the ant spray. And I believe they're about, what, 4 or 5 ounces? And these are great for travel. Water, water, water. You're probably saying, why are you showing water? This is distilled water. I believe this is the first time seeing distilled water. They usually have the bottled water, the filtered water, but never the distilled water. So if you are a crafter or painter, I know distilled water is usually the best because it doesn't have those minerals in there when you're cleaning, and it can last longer because it doesn't have the minerals that settle in the water. So I know my sprays, when I do my crafts, I always use distilled water. Plus, some people use distilled waters when they have a humidifier. So it's just an idea. Now they have distilled water. We have slushy Tampico. I believe that's how you pronounce it. We have 2 flavors, Island Punch, and I think the other one is mango. I believe the name of it is covering, but I believe it's mango because they have a mango single to go 0 sugar packet. So if you don't want the slushy or you want to make your own slushy, you can make 6 different slushies if you use the pack. Then we have the berry blue typhoon Hawaiian punch. And then we have bug juice. Don't ask me what flavor this is. Well, it does says 2 flavors, but do not tell me how it tastes. If you try the bug juice, let me know in the comment section down below. It seems like everyone, oh, a lot of people anyway, are into protein. You got to get your protein in. Well, this one is Strawberry and Cream by Premier Protein. So this is a great way to try this flavor and see if you like it before you buy the big pack. So to me, these are like samplers. Sample the different flavors to see if you like it or not before investing more money. Just an idea. Then we have these Pop'ems, light and crispy pretzel snacks. This flavor is white cheddar by Snack Factory. And then the other flavor is barbecue, I believe it is. Let's see. It's coming up. Golden mustard barbecue. Interesting take, interesting flavor. If you try it, let me know. I'm trying to be careful about eating all my little snacks. So if I see it, I'll show it. And then we have these other chips, garlic flavor, so natural as it says. You may want to try these. Some might say these are great sample packs of items. Taste it before you invest more. And this final one is called Two Stone, and it's a garlic flavor as well. Yes, now it's time for our dollar plus section. I will be showing you maybe one, two, or three or four dollar plus items. Enjoy! We'll play a little music while you enjoy the dollar plus section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. And let me know, do you prefer the voiceovers or do you prefer the music? Combination of both, or it doesn't matter to you. Please let me know. Like I always say, be blessed until next time and be better than yesterday.